Guys, welcome to CraftSpot. Today we are making marker paintings. Let's get on into the video. Okay, what you're gonna need are some markers, some water, a paintbrush, a Ziploc bag, and a piece of paper. Take your markers in your Ziploc bag and start coloring on top of the Ziploc baggie. Done, you should have something that looks like this. Next, you're gonna take your water and wipe down the entire paper with it and get it nice and wet. The more wet it is, the more it will show up on your paper. The more colors will blend and the better it will look. You're gonna take the bag and put the colored side down onto the wet paper and gently press, making sure all the colors transfer onto the paper. Sit for a few minutes and then peel up from the paper, gently making sure you don't get anything anywhere else, and you have your beautiful colorful masterpiece that you can put quotes on. You can also use smaller Ziploc baggies for different desired looks. And now you have your beautiful masterpieces done. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys, see you later.